In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add falling wedge chart pattern quick and easy guide. Let's jump straight into it. First, make sure you're on your TradingView chart with the market you want to analyze already open. This can be a stock, a crypto pair, forex, whatever you're currently looking at. Once your chart is up and running, look toward the top of the screen for the indicators button. It's usually near the top toolbar, labeled indicators, or sometimes indicators and strategies. Go ahead and click that. When you click indicators, a search window will pop up. This is where you can find all kinds of tools, strategies, and patterns. In the search bar at the top of that window, start typing the word wedge. You don't need to type the full phrase, just wedge is enough. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the list and show you all the wedge-related tools that are available. Now, from the filtered list, look for Falling Wedge Chart Pattern. This is the specific tool we want to use. When you see it in the list, simply click on it once. That will add the Falling Wedge tool to your charting toolbox and make it active. You'll usually notice that your cursor changes, indicating that the drawing tool is now ready to use directly on the chart. At this point, you can move your cursor over the chart and start marking up the pattern. Typically, you'd click at the first swing high, then at the following lower highs and lower lows to outline that converging, downward sloping structure that defines a falling wedge. Take your time lining it up so the pattern actually touches or closely hugs the most important highs and lows. The more accurate your points, the cleaner and more useful your pattern will be. Remember, a falling wedge is often considered a bullish pattern, especially when it appears after a downtrend, so traders commonly use it to anticipate potential breakouts to the upside. That said, don't rely on the pattern alone. Combine it with volume, support and resistance levels, and your own trading plan before making any decisions. If you really like using tools like this and you want more features on TradingView, such as multiple charts, more indicators, and extra alerts, check out the affiliate link in the description for TradingView Pro. It's a great way to unlock more advanced functionality while supporting the channel at the same time. And that's all there is to it. You've learned how to quickly find and add the falling wedge chart pattern on TradingView, and you're ready to start applying it to your own charts.